How to fix Google Play Store keeps opening on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First thing you need to do here is restart your phone. Click restart here and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix it, now go to settings and then click here apps and then apps again and type here Google Play and go to Google Play services and then storage and now clear cache, and after that go to Google Play Store and click for stop, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.